Slope milling. When milling long and deep grooves, using ramp milling, the tool directly enters the solid to cut the material. High metal removal range and reduces the tool change time and improving processing efficiency. Online milling is a very effective, processing deep grooves, and cavities. It is also a very effective method for brittle and hard steel, and difficult to machine materials. Online milling is very effective for unstable conditions. Is very effective in improving cutting performance, such as poor rigidity of workpieces, processing thin-walled areas, poor workpiece clamping stiffness, etc. The ball end mill must be suitable for high-speed machining, which involves proper accuracy, parameters, dynamic balance, and high speed, and safety at high speed. Milling with large cutting depth increases the full depth of the tool. The dynamic performance of the tool is the key to ensure stable and reliable machining. Insert milling method is also called Z-axis milling, is one of the most effective methods. One of the most effective processing methods for curved surfaces of difficult to machine materials, cutting grooves and tools, and large tool overhang machining. The processing efficiency of insertion milling is higher than the conventional end milling method when it is necessary to quickly remove a large amount of metal material. Using the insertion milling method can reduce cutting time by more than half. It is widely used in parts with vertical sidewalls. CNC series explanation, empowering you to become an industry expert.